Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write your MetaMask seed phrase. First, understand that your seed phrase is the ultimate key to your crypto wallet. It's a sequence of words, typically 12 or 24, that grants full access to your funds. Treat it with the utmost care, as anyone with this phrase can control your assets. Never share it with anyone, and always keep it offline for maximum security. Before you begin, find a quiet and private space where you won't be disturbed. Gather a pen and several pieces of paper. It's crucial to write your seed phrase down physically, rather than typing it or taking a screenshot. Digital copies are vulnerable to hacks, so keeping it offline is the safest approach. Double-check that no one can observe you as you proceed. Now, with your MetaMask wallet open, navigate to the Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase section. Carefully write down each of the 12 or 24 words onto your paper. Pay close attention to the spelling and the exact order of the words. This precision is vital. After writing it once, create at least 2 more identical copies on separate pieces of paper for redundancy. Once you have your multiple copies, it's time for secure storage. Distribute these copies in different, discrete, and safe physical locations. Think about places like a safe deposit box, a fireproof safe, or even hidden spots within your home. The goal is to protect against a single point of failure. Remember, your seed phrase should never be stored digitally or photographed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.